Today I will show you a very interesting gadget. It's a remote that connects via Bluetooth to your smartphone and helps you to take pictures with your smartphone. If you have a tripod, mount your smartphone on that tripod and use one of these remote. You have to pair to connect this gadget. Go to settings, Bluetooth, start your gadget, and this is it. This remote was previously connected to the smartphone, but for the first time you have to press one of its buttons to enter pair mode. It's very simple. Let's test it. Go to camera and press the remote button. As you can see, it's very useful. Just press it and your smartphone will take a picture. As you can see, on this remote we have two buttons. The bigger one in this moment has the zoom function. Just press it and your smartphone's camera will zoom. But you can change this. You can assign a specific function to this button. Just go to your camera settings and access volume keys function. Here you can choose one of these three options: take pictures, record video, or zoom. And one of these functions will be assigned to the second button from your remote. As you can see now, we will record video by pressing this second button, this big button from the remote. Just press this big button and your smartphone will take a video. Press the little button and your smartphone takes a shot. Now I've assigned both buttons to take pictures. I have two remotes. This has an integrated rechargeable battery. These remotes can connect to iOS also. This has a replaceable battery. Not to worry, the battery will last for a long time, a few thousand of shots.